Just ended for the day, and as the day was ending, we saw Dwayne Davis, the former Compton Crips gang leader, look visibly upset. He put his hands over his face and started making a motion like that, like he was shaking his head. On the surface, some of the testimony today can seem pretty complicated because a lot of it had to do with Compton gang warfare and street code. But prosecutors say at the end of the day, this case is pretty clear. For the past hour of the day, the jury had to listen to a very lengthy interview that Dwayne Davis gave investigators. And prosecutors say it's exactly that, Davis's own words, that make this case so clear. They say in the past, Davis has admitted to ordering the takedown of Tupac Shakur.
You will learn when the opportunity presented itself for retribution, Dwayne Davis made sure that the shooters were armed and ready.
Prosecutors say Dwayne Davis, street name Keefy D, is not the one who pulled the trigger, but he is the one who called the shots in the murder of 90s West Coast rap icon Tupac Shakur. Davis listened intently as prosecutors claimed he ordered the hit as an act of revenge. His defense team, though, says the state's case is filled with holes.
What they are telling you, they're representing it to be a fact when it really is fiction.
Today, the jury saw these photos of the black BMW Tupac was in on the night of September 7th, 1996, when the bullets started to fly. And they heard from Ingrid Stokes.
We ran into Suge and Tupac in the car.
Back in 96, she was living in LA, came to Vegas for a weekend, and was in a car trailing that BMW.
Did anyone shoot at you?
Probably. I honestly don't know. There was a lot of gunshots.
Prosecutors said today those gunshots were a result of Davis's own orders, and that he even admitted it while publishing and promoting Compton Street Legend, a tell-all book. But Davis now says he did not write it, and the details in it are fabricated fiction to make money.
I'm innocent.
But investigators contend Davis started plotting the murder after Tupac and then Death Row Records CEO Suge Knight were part of this brawl captured on camera inside the MGM Grand. During this fight, Davis's nephew was allegedly jumped. Just off the Vegas Strip, Tupac was shot multiple times in a drive-by.
And if convicted, Davis faces life behind bars. It'll be up to the judge then to decide if there's any parole. Reporting live in Las Vegas, Kevin Ozbek, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.